What's up, YouTube fam, and anyone out here that's watching my video right now that's clicking out for the title. Now today I'm going to be talking about some tips you're going to need to know about building your car. And trust me, if you just subscribed to my channel, go back and watch some of the stuff I've been through. It's been a lot, but I got some tips that I learned on the way that I want to share with you guys. Now before I start this video, I want to let you guys know, to my YouTube fam that is currently up to date with all my videos and been watching my stuff, and even for my new YouTube subscribers, my YouTube fam, welcome. And I'm gonna give you a little update right now. So some videos coming up. I need to install the coolant overflow, so I need to pick that up from the Chevy dealer. I need to install that, and then we need to get it tuned. And before all that, we need to get this thing washed because this thing's looking dirty. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about some tips on building your car, what you need to know before you start building, and what you should prepare yourself for. So if that sounds like some content you're going to want to watch this dope intro that you guys love. And the intro song is in the description because you guys keep asking so much. It's in the description, so if you ever want to know, just go in the description. It's right there. Click the link, download, and enjoy. Now let's start this video.
What you doing, man?
You will never see me acting reckless. Pockets never empty, got my checklist. Fucking on your friend might be your bestest. That's how I work, boy, I ain't never got no template.
Alright guys, so I would personally say number one is know what you want to build your car for. The biggest problem with a lot of people that build stuff is they want to build a track car. Then they want to build a drift car, which then probably never really do the track and drift, but want to build a track car, want to build a drag car. Those builds, a track car, a drag car, a stance car, a donut car, a road course car, a straight line car, enduro car, all those builds are specifically for that genre of driving. Remember this, those are specifically built for what they are doing at the moment. Now, you cannot build a nice, or I'm going to use the word perfect, but no, we know nothing's perfect track car or drag car for both. You could make a drag car that you could drag. I mean, you could make a drag car that you could put on the road course. You could make a road course car that you could put on the drag strip. A car could go anywhere you wanted to do. Shit, you could off-road it if you want, but it's not going to be built the same. From tuning, for tuning of a drag car and a track car are completely different things. You need stiff and you need loose. Road course, you're going to build it, you're going to want it as low as possible. Maybe it actually might be the same for a drag car. I think you want a drag car. So scratch that. I don't know what I'm talking about. But build it for what you want to build it. Do not take a nice build and then go whip and do donuts and start piston clapping or you know, revving it high and worry about damaging the motor. Now, what I didn't say before I started this is I was NA bolt-ons. I've been boosted, and now I'm NA built. And as NA bolt-ons, I mean headers, intake, exhaust, tune. And then I went turbo kit, 76mm, and now I'm completely NA, cams, heads, pistons, push rods, rockers, lifters, changed the belt, no air conditioner, no heater, pulled out the complete back seat, roll cage, stuff like that. I decided to go with a track car a long time ago, and that's what this is built for. That's why I don't street race. That's why when I go out and film these events, you know, see me whipping and doing donuts, I know the damage, or revving high. I know the damage that it does to the car now because I've done it before. All right, so that was gonna be number one, as in know what you're building this car for. Number two, find someone that you're going to trust. Do your research, guys. Make sure that you find someone, and don't just find him because someone told you to go to him. Meet him, shake his hand, check out his builds, check out his Instagram, his Facebook, his YouTube. Check out whatever you could find about this guy to make sure he's the guy to go to, because it is not cheap to build your car. In NA form or force induction, even the nitrous 85, whatever you want to do, it's not cheap. So make sure you have someone that is trustworthy. You could find someone that is trustworthy that doesn't charge $120 an hour for labor. You can. I found someone, and Mad's amazing. So make sure you have someone trustworthy. Make sure you know what you want to build. Make sure you have someone trustworthy. All right. So now on to the third one. Make sure your tuner Make sure, this right here, guys, let me tell you a story. I got my car tuned from a shop that I can't say. It ran amazing, and then I blew the motor. Why? Because the tune was aggressive. I was on headers, cold air intake, and a tune. There's no reason why I should have blown my motor being that NA bolt-on the way I did, unless the tune was too rich or too lean, actually. So being a builder, or finding a builder and finding a tuner, are the most important things that you're going to need to do. Let me tell you, you guys really need to realize this before you guys start this build. Your tuner and your builder are husband and wife. Like, you need to know that they will work with each other, that they have even worked with each other already, because they will mess up your motor. And this will blow your motor. You're screwed if you don't have warranty, and if you have warranty and they see you work your car, you're already screwed anyway. So this is something that's going to save you money in the long run and save you time in the long run, which leads to find the build you want to build. Find the tuner or builder. I think we're on number 3, is get all your parts at once. When you sit down and you find the right builder, and maybe at the time you don't have the tuner, let's go story time. All right, so you know what you want to build your car for now, right? You know who's going to build your car. Now it's time to sit down with your builder and come up with what parts you want to run, how aggressive cam you want to run, how aggressive cam you want to run, lifters, rockers, push rods, clutch, whatever you want to do. And don't be that person who buys the part. Say you buy headers, right? You buy your headers and then you install your headers, and then you buy a clutch and then you install the clutch, and then you want a cam and then you install the cam. Don't be that person. This will save you a lot of money and a lot of time in the long run. Time as your car being down, and money as in you keep paying the service fees. Because let's be completely honest with you, the parts for our cars are not expensive. Now I'm speaking for myself. I have an LS3. They're not that expensive. It's the labor. The part for my cam is $390, $490, and that's expensive cam. But install that cam is $1,200. So you don't want to, if your car's already taken apart, your bumper's already off, you might as well start changing whatever else you want to change, the heads, the headers, whatever it might be at that time, because your car's already taken apart. So don't buy a part and install the part just because you want to do it. And that also leads to getting more tunes and tunes and tunes, because you have to tune in when you put the headers in. Then you got to tune in when you put the cold air intake. Then you got to tune in when you put the cam. So you will rack up on tuning bills. And trust me, I'm speaking from experience. If you guys don't know who I am, you're just on my channel, it's your first time, once again, welcome. But watch my other videos. I'm talking about everything I'm telling you guys not to do. I've already done it. And that's why I'm saying learn from my mistakes, because they were expensive. I spent a lot of money for something that now is completely different. It was still going to be a track car, but it was completely different. All right, guys, so now we got, know what you're going to build your car for. Find the right tuner, find the right builder, find the right tuner. Do not install all your car parts one by one, because you will go in a very expensive black hole. And number 4, whatever the numbers aren't even important right now, just more of the knowledge you guys, hopefully you guys are learning, is if you have a wife, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, an other, whatever it is, leave them. Because there's no way you're going to get it done, because they're going to leave you, so you might as well leave them. No, I'm just kidding. But it's kind of true, guys. It's going to take time. And a lot of people, the number one question I get is, how did your car get like that? I want to do my car like yours. How did you afford to do it? It takes time. When I'm filming this right now, or I'm going to talk about, I've been filming for a year and 4 months now on YouTube. It takes time. This car didn't start looking like this. It looks like crap right now, guys. It's really dirty. I apologize. Don't wreck me in the comments. My detailer's coming tomorrow. But it takes time. It takes saving. It takes money. It takes a lot of things at once. Now, when you're going to do this build, it doesn't have to be as aggressive as mine, but make sure you have in mind, don't be that guy who just wants to put all the money in the car and you're struggling to pay your bills and stuff like that, guys. Just really don't do that. Take your time. Save for the part. Make sure it's the right part. Get the part powder coated if you're going to want it powder coated. Make sure all your necessities are there, so when you get your car, it is exactly what you want, and you just haul ass to the track or road course, drag strip, drifting, whatever you want to do. make sure you take your time. It's not going to happen overnight, guys. If you're in the middle of starting this build, prepare to be stressed out for car parts to get sent that are not the right parts, for parts to take longer than expected, for parts to be sold out, for parts to be back ordered, I'm talking the heads, for heads to be a 6-month wait. Prepare for the worst, but it's going to be worth it. You guys are seeing me right now, I guess you could say, at my prime of my car, sitting in my garage, when just 6 months ago, I didn't have all the money to do the build. My build was screwed up. I had to put a lot of money into it, and I had to put a lot of time into it. You guys are looking at cars sitting in my garage right now, but you guys would have to go back to watch all other videos of the struggle that I went to get it here in this garage. And only reason why I don't know why I didn't think of this video, but thank you, my YouTube fam, for commenting these questions, because it gave me an idea of like, why don't I tell you about tips that you're gonna need to know about building your car. I haven't seen a video like this, and this is what I feel is gonna be helpful. Now, this is all my experience. So, I'm gonna say it one more time, if you guys haven't caught it, or if you guys fast forwarded because you got tired of me talking, know what you're building your car for. Find the right builder, find the right tuner. Don't buy all your car parts and install them one by one. And the last one, leave your girlfriend. The last one, technically, with being all honesty, is going to be prepare to be stressed, prepared to put in work, prepared for things to not go right, but the outcome is going to be perfect, because nothing feels better right now than me sitting in my garage, reading my books, with my car right behind me, ready to be tuned and then hitting the track. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you're going to subscribe, please subscribe, smash that like button, turn that little jingly bell on so you guys know when I post. I post content from my car, to learning about other people's cars, to going to hood rat events, and watching Bone Donuts, Burnouts, Cops, and all that stuff, and then me working on my car. I think I said that, but whatever. So, this video so thank you guys so much. I hope this helped you guys out. Any questions or any other videos you would like me to make about building, a car or anything like that, comment down below. If you notice, I comment back to all my comments, even good ones and well, of course good ones, and even bad ones too. So comment down below and let me know if I forgot something. Whatever you guys feel will be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on Monday.
The revolution's born. You wanna know my name, to go and tell us us. You wanna know my gang, Suicide Squad. Pistol on my waist, I might make them.